Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in WooCommerce. So without any delay, let's start. Here you can see that I am on my dashboard of WordPress. On the left side, you can see an option for WooCommerce. You have to install the WooCommerce plugin before doing these steps. And below this, you will see another option of products. Click on Add New. You will see this form to add new products. First of all, here you have to add your product name. For example, small t-shirt for children's. Or we can add here another word like summer t-shirt for children's. Next you have to create a product description. I'm going to use ChatGPT for this. Here you can see that I have opened the ChatGPT. What I'm going to do, I will simply copy this title, open ChatGPT, and I will type here a prompt. Write a product description for my WooCommerce product. I have choose this title for my product, and in these quotations I will paste that title here so ChatGPT can distinguish which is prompt and which is title. That's why I have added these double colons here. Make sure the description should be SEO friendly. You can also suggest me the improved title suggestions. Let me press enter. And now you can see that first of all, it have provide me a title like Cool Breeze Kids Summer T-shirt, trendy and comfortable. Obviously, this is better than that what we have typed. I will paste that title here. And similarly, you can see that it have provided me the description. I will just simply copy this description and paste at this position. Obviously, you can customize this according to your requirement. After writing the description, scroll down and here we have one more important part where you can add product settings like price, which type of product you have, shipping method, and this type of stuff. First of all, you can also select virtual or downloadable if you are selling a course or some PDF file, this type of stuff, but I'm not going to select these options because we are supposing that t-shirt is a physical product. So first of all, I will type here regular price. The reason it is displaying me currency in RS because when I was installing WooCommerce, it asked me country. So I select Pakistan, and in Pakistan, there is a rupees currency. That's why it is automatically displaying me the currency of my own country. Here it is asking for sales price. I will select 400. So this is some type of discount we are giving to customer. If you are uploading your product for a sale, for example, your product will be available at 400 price between 11th to 12th date of December. You can also schedule your product. So this type of sale is like Daraz give 11/11 sales in Pakistan. So you can also choose sales price dates. I'm not going to select that. And next, obviously, it have another options like inventory, shipping. Obviously, you can explore these options like inventory. You can select this, either this product is in stock or out of stock. For example, you have 20 pieces of product and B goes out of stock. You can select this option and save later, so no one will be able to place order on your website because your product is out of stock. You can also limit your purchase to one item per order, so user cannot place multiple orders. Next, we have shipping option. You can add this information here. And here, obviously, WooCommerce provides us other options, but these are not very important. Here, it asks you for product short description. You can also write that. Let me copy that short description from here and paste at this position. Next, scroll up, and on the right side, you will see an option for product image, which is very important. Let me click on set product image. You can also select from media library or upload a file. So I will select from my computer. Let me click on select files. On desktop, I have downloaded an image. So I will select this and click open. You can see that I have selected this image. Next, click set product image. If you want to add more products, you can also add product gallery images. The technique is same that we use to add product image. Next, we have product categories. Obviously, if you have bundle of products, you can categorize those products so user will easily visit your stores and easily reach out to that specific product which he wants. So let me add some categories. For example, men's shirt, and so the category is added. Here I will add another category like children shirts. I will click on click, and again I will type here female shirts. So I just have add 3 categories, for example, and for example, because this is a children shirt, so I will select. So I'm going to select children shirts category only, and I'm going to unselect them. Next we have product tags. For example, if someone user want to search a product on your store and he did not directly type this title, he can also type, for example, children shirt, children, and I will press add. So basically by default, this shirt will be appear in that search too. So you can add different type of product tags. So if user search another words, your product still will be visible to you, to the user. So we have done with that. Let me click on publish. So our product is added successfully. You can also click on add products to view all of your available products. You can also click on export them. You can also import products from CSV. But we have added this product, and let me click on view. So friends, you can see that this is how our product will look like on our website. Because we were selected out of stock, that's why it is displaying out of stock. We have tags, we have categories, and obviously these things are very important for SEO purposes. The keyword you use, the tags you choose, the title you choose, these keywords play an important role in your SEO of your store. So make sure to learn about SEO and choose this title and description very carefully. So friends, obviously WooCommerce provides us different shortcodes so we can display a collection of products on our store. I'm not going to talk about that, but if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.